Okay, welcome back to Drill Massacre. Quite why I'm doing this again, I really don't know. Because I really hated this last time. It's impossible to control and it's just the biggest jump scares you have ever seen in your life when that bastard comes along with his power drill and massacres you! The fuck was that? I've not seen that before. Oh, here I was thinking it was going to be all familiar. And it's not. Oh, already it's so dark. Was there a torch again? Let's have a look. I need to have a torch. Flashlight, F. Okay. Yeah, that doesn't work. Maybe I have to find it. I can't remember what I did last time. Did I have a torch last time? It's open. Right, down we go. Into this basement where he ended up getting me. Right. This is all about sound cues, isn't it? If you hear him, run. I think the case is, it's so dark. I'm going to have to brighten this up so much in post. Can't see a thing. Filthy refrigerator, but it's empty. No food for me. That's fine. Oh dear. Why do I come back to this? Why am I coming back to this? I had enough of this at Halloween. Oh my god. It's some kind of machine. I don't think I can use this. Where the hell is my flashlight? I'm sure I had one. Maybe it hasn't loaded with it. I don't know. I just don't know. Guess I'll go back upstairs. Alright. Well, there you go. I'm just going to have to brighten this to fuck. Oh! Was that me? Better have been me. I can strafe. That's nice. Where? Happy face on the wall. Just pay attention to the happy face. It's nice. Just the happy face. Ah, shit. Alright, let's try in here. Ooh. Down some more stairs. Where's this taking me? Jesus. Oh my goodness, it's a maze. I wonder who was sitting down here in the dark. I'll give you one frickin' guess. Oh my god, it's so quiet. And it's... oh. This is horrible. What? We're going round here. Is this the way I came in? It's not, is it? It's a different way. It's further down. Surprise! Oh shit! Shit! Oh. Right, I never want to see the word surprise ever again. Where's my flashlight? Ah! There you are, you pretty. Oh no, it's a key. Ooh, yeah. Key with red paint splattered on it. Now I remember the, I remember that door. Where was that door? Oh! Hide. It's gone. Shit. Okay, nothing in here. So a key with red paint splattered on it. That's useful, isn't it? Because that means I can use that. Get in! I can use the red paint key. Yeah, I can use the red paint key on that door. Do you remember? Oh! Oh! Fuck's that? It's like an article ripped out of a newspaper. Read it? Yeah. So it continues. Oh, I saw this last time. People are missing, etc. An old desk looks like it's empty. Hello? Oh, the controls are just diabolical. Okay, what's in here? It's just a drinking machine. It's a machine that's drinking. Ah, now. Shit! I got caught down here before. Ah, it's a locked metal door. Hang on. I feel like I'm being watched here. Shit! Don't say that. Oh my god. Okay. I haven't died yet, that's a good thing. This is impossible to control. Sugar tunnel. Shit! Check out the sugar tunnel, shall we? Fuck! I can hear someone! Yeah! Oh, God. This game sucks. Oh my goodness. Murdered. Oh. Alright, we're getting somewhere though, aren't we? Even though I don't have a sodding flashlight. Where's the key? Oh, don't tell me it's random each time. Oh no. Oh, that sucks. That really sucks. Right, okay. So I found one of the 3 keys I need. I can't remember where the door is though. Sinks are caked with grime, yeah. Not surprised. Okay, there's nothing in any of these. Oh, just a greasy old toilet. Nothing useful. Oh! Oh, it's that. Ah! This will be a key. Looks like a key. Pick it up. Yeah! Key with red paint again. Good. I heard him. Where is he? Does he just appear or what? It's a locked metal door. I feel like someone's watching me. Okay. Where the hell was the door with the paint on it? Was that me? I just can't tell. He's not here. We're fine. What about down here? Ooh, this is new. Oh, oh, fuck! What the hell was that? Honestly, what the hell was that? This is the door. Door is locked. There are 3 locks with splotches of paint, blue, green and red. You used a key. 2 locks left. Excellent. Oh, fuck! What the hell are those things? Seriously. I don't need flashes of horrible subliminal shit. Oh, I died in the basement last time. I don't want to go down there again. Right. So one key always seems to be around there, doesn't it? It's open. Alright. Down in the basement. I need to find a key. It's a locked metal door. Fine. How the hell you're supposed to avoid this guy, I do not know. Oh. Another newspaper article. Yeah, let's read it. The beginning is faded. I can't read it. She's my little girl. We just want her back. Oh, it's a bloke. Wilbur said in a tearful plea. According to the Wilburs, Christine was playing near the bushes towards the edge of the campsite. We called her for dinner, and she just wasn't there anymore. Police are looking at all possibilities. Wild cat attacks are pretty common in this area, said Sergeant Bailey. But her parents think that she was abducted because, oh, there was no bear or a cat. We didn't hear any animals. Somebody grabbed her. Somebody took her from us. That's all it says. Oh. Run across. Another locked metal door. I feel like I'm being watched. Fuck off. Oh. It's all green and shit. Looks like a key! Pick it up. Yeah! You got a key with green paint splattered on it. Fuck! Get out. Where was out? This way! Go! Yes! Go back upstairs. How do you save? How do you save? I don't know how you save, because it said load game and I had to start from the beginning again. That's probably why I haven't got a fucking... Oh, that's probably why I haven't got a stupid bloody... flashlight, because I ran all the way here from the start of the game. Shit. Oh, it was upstairs, wasn't it? The special door. You used a key! Oh, one more lock. I have a feeling it'll be down where that sugar tunnel was, you know. Crap. Oh my god. Ah, this is evil. Shit, just run. Ah. Stairs. Should try this? Be a key. Be a key. Oh, it's not. It's a flipping newspaper clipping again. Another one. Yeah, let's read it. Pocono vanishings. No trace of missing campers. April the 4th, 1985. Since 1978, 12 campers have disappeared over a 100-mile stretch of the Pocono Mountains. We conduct dozens of rescue missions each year, says Park Ranger Charlie Plank. People come up here to camp and hike all the time. Campfires left burning, boots and jackets left behind, radios still playing. It's like these people were ripped away from their campsites, says A. Bradley, who was involved in the search for... I can't read anymore. The ink has faded. I thought it was going to say the link is broken. I was like, wow. Digital newspaper much. Alright. Come on. I need a key. Ah, bollocks. Down we go. Right, this way. Shit, it's this room. I always die in this room. Oh my goodness. Camera's getting all funny. I'm not happy. Oh! Oh god no, I'm back here! Oh, what an idiot. Where the hell was that sugar tunnel then? It was this way. Because that's the way back to the start. Okay. Just go in here. Oh my goodness. Locked metal door, yeah. Okay. Try the next door. Anything useful in here? No. Just old tripods. I died here in my last playthrough, I remember that much. Oh my god. I'm trying to get a mental image of the place, but I can't. I'm trying to get used to this. Oh! Christ! I mean, fuck. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh, holy shit, that scared the life out of me. Oh my god, what's my heart rate going? Oh. Oh, that's got to be at least 80 or 90. My resting heart rate's 60. Oh no. Oh, that was just the worst. Oh dear. Oh man, this game is horrific. I'm not surprised you wanted me to play this, honestly. Right, well I can find the red key again, no problem, because it's just there. And the green key was pretty easy to find as well. I just need to find the blue one. So I think what I need to do is explore down here. Around this corner, because I reckon it'll be along here somewhere. I heard that. Should I not be running? Is that the problem? Is that why I'm getting caught? Oh. Is this the same place? Fuck! The hell was that noise? Was that in real life? That was probably Sparrow, it's fine. Okay, that's the door. Shit, how did I get there? It all links round in a big circle. Doesn't it? Shit. I love this VHS style video filter they've got on it. You can turn it off, but I like it. Okay. Let's go this way. Ah! 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 Yes. Right, okay, come on. This is where it'll be. Just don't get to the surprise room for whatever you do. Fuck. Shit! The hell was that noise? I'm not enjoying this. This is horrible. Oh! God, that wall scared the shit out of me. This is so disorienting, I don't know where anything is. Ah! Ah! Oh! This is so unpleasant. The key's got to be in here somewhere. Shush! I wonder who was sitting down here in the dark. Ah, I know who was. Some fucking psychopath with a power drill. The fuck was that? What the fuck? Upside down red cross. Not happy with that. Oh, fuck. Oh. Ah! Run away! Shit! 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 Fuck! Fuck off! Fuck off! I can't get back! No. That's enough. I've had enough of this game. I can't fucking do it. I haven't got a flashlight. I can only find 2 keys. Oh, it's just so draining. I've played 20 minutes of this and I can't play anymore. Oh, dear. Nope, that's it. I'm sorry. I have to finish there. Tell me where the flashlight is. Tell me... Oh, no, I don't want to play this ever again. I'm uninstalling the fucker. My heart is pounding. I'm going to have a stroke. Hope you enjoyed. Horrible, horrible game. Horrible game. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Let's drop this a sec. How do I drop it? That's that button. Slash. Stop.